people on the other side of the house, there was a grandmother who was it was very anti-Semitic, and she made our life difficult for a time in terms of her anger. But the other.
What would she do?
Well, I think what triggered her was that she had a granddaughter. There was one granddaughter, and there was grandparents, parents, and this one child. The father of the child was a major in the U.S. Army in the Second World War in Italy, and the little girl was playing with my sister, and they were roughly the same age, and she had a knife in her hand and was on top of my sister. And I don't know, it wasn't out of meanness, it was just inappropriate for a child to have a knife, and I went and peeled the little the little girl off my sister. And then the lady next door started a stream of vindictive statements against her.